SofaMax presents, and one of the best quality sofas on the market today, and in this thick and premium tan exquisite leather that will stand the test of time. And the seating with multiple layers, making for a long-lasting and very comfortable sofa suite, and with metal control studs discreetly at the side, you can glide these backs forward and backwards, adjusting to your perfect comfort, or put your feet up, relax, and look at this multi-layered seating. The great thing is this is fully modular, finished right round and clips together underneath, so you can switch the pieces to configure your space. And look at the style. Low and lazy chillax on one of the most stylish suites on the market today, in stock and ready for immediate delivery in this configuration, with a chaise on both the right and the left, 2 power backrests and the wedge corner seat. To clip together, simply fold out these crocodile clips. They clip into the corresponding post on the other piece, and once you want to remove them, you just lift the piece out of the crocodile clip. So easy.